Product liability and use cases defined. Product liability is a serious issue. Whenever you buy a product in the store, purchase a new car, or take prescribed medicine, you trust that that product has been tested to ensure its safety. However, many times, negligent manufacturers put innocent people at risk by putting defective products on the market. They continually fail to provide adequate safety warnings. If you suffer an injury or lose a loved one because of the manufacturer's negligence, you will need an experienced product liability lawyer to help you with your case. What is product liability? Injuries caused by defective products can range from unpleasant side effects to bodily harm and even death. Anyone who is a victim of an unsafe product may be awarded damages to be paid by the manufacturer, designer, or seller of that product. Products that may pose a danger to consumers include toys with lead paint, choking hazards, or other unsafe pieces. Faulty or defective tires. Malfunctioning safety devices, such as faulty airbags or seat belts. Dangerous medications with harmful side effects. Tools or equipment that break while in use. A person may sue for damages if they are. The user who is injured and seeks damages does not need to be the original purchaser of the product. And such a person, in many cases, does not have to prove negligence. If this description sounds familiar to you, you should consult a product liability lawyer. Injured while using a product. Not substantially changed from its original condition. For the product's intended use of a product defect. That defect caused the injury. Product liability legal help. Negligence and warranty breaches. Questions of negligence and breach of warranty are also grounds for a damages claim under product liability. In the case of negligence, grounds for a valid claim depend on establishing the presence of one of two things. First, is if the company is shown to have negligently, or improperly, tested its product. Also, if the company negligently provided inadequate directions for a product's use, an injured party will likely have valid grounds for a negligence claim. Strict liability. In product liability, there are various areas of defects that can occur. If a claim of strict liability is to be pursued, the injured party will need to show that due to a defect, the product was unreasonably dangerous for its intended use. Generally, there are three areas in which a product can be unreasonably dangerous. 1. Failure to warn. 2. Design defect. 3. Manufacturing defect. Finding a lawyer. Through a thorough investigation of the circumstances surrounding your injury, our product liability lawyers will determine which parties were responsible for the defect that caused your injuries. We will then build a robust case on your behalf and work diligently to help you recover the maximum amount of compensation you are entitled. It may even be possible to recover punitive damages meant to punish a negligent manufacturer. In conclusion, as this general explanation of product liability illustrates, there are many factors involved in product liability law. It is extremely important to seek professional counsel regarding the particulars of handling a product liability case. If you suspect that you or a loved one was injured or killed as a result of a defective product, please contact a product liability lawyer to talk about your situation.